Skopje. My name is Alan Rodriguez. Ready?
Alan, hi, welcome to Skopje.
Thank you so much. It's an honor to be here.
Do you have time to relax before the show tonight?
Yeah, I've been in my hotel room, but I really wish that I actually would have went out to see the city because it's my very first time here in Macedonia and in Skopje as well.
It's been 3 years since your first hit faded. Does it really take just one song to become world famous?
Well, it's kind of like you could also end up as a one-hit wonder, and I think when you first have one very big hit, you need to be able to follow up with something as well, because that's what people will be expecting. Like, otherwise you'll be forgotten. And after Faded, I did Sing Me to Sleep, and then Alone, and then Tired, Alpha's Down, and now I'm coming up with a new single again. And I feel like I was able to kind of like establish myself in the music world. And I also maybe got a stable fan base, which also has been really supportive. And I think thanks to all that, I've been able to kind of like keep a maintenance on kind of like keeping myself out there.
In the last 5 or 6 years, maybe it's, I don't know, it's common for famous DJs to make collaborations with world famous singers. So is there someone on your bucket list?
Yeah, I would say I would love to make a song with Sia, maybe G-Eazy and Bruno Mars.
When you were a teenager, did you have big dreams? Were you able to imagine all of this that's happening to you right now?
Not at all. Like when I was at home and when I also went to school, I really didn't think that I would end up as a touring DJ or even a musician, because I just started making music for fun in my bedroom and didn't really see myself becoming famous of it at all. And then it suddenly took off, and then what my plans for the future didn't work out because I decided to choose another direction than what I had already planned.
I know that the Macedonian crowd has very big expectations of you, but do you expect anything from people here at Skopje Calling?
I think my expectation is a good crowd. It's my very first time here, so I don't know how people will be. But I think people are really ready, and I think it's going to be a crazy night.
On your every show and every time when you give an interview, you wear your hoodie and your mask. So I must ask, why do you wear it? Is there a statement behind this?
Not necessarily a statement, or well, it's kind of a statement. But what I want to kind of put out as a statement is that anyone could be a walker, and it's just to put on a hoodie and a mask, and you can be a walker. And I think it's pretty nice because in Alone, for example, I tried to put out a message that you're not alone, and also that anyone could be a walker. And I think it's pretty nice to show that people that anyone could, for example, be me, and which could also inspire and motivate people.
I should have worn a mask today. Because of your busy schedule, do you have time for dating?
I don't know. That's kind of like a yes or no. It's very kind of like varying.